Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the general management, then go to the Samsung keyboard settings, languages and types, manage input languages. So here you have the whole list of the available keyboard languages. Let's pick, for example, Greek. And now let's try to write something in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.